May I come in, teacher?
Is coming. Please sit here.
Thank you, teacher. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What's your full name?
My full name is Ryan Khan, but you can call me Ryan because this is my nickname, sir.
Do you like your name?
Definitely, sir, because it has a beautiful meaning. It means wisdom.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course, because this name represents me to the world. And it's my identity.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, sir. Here it is.
It's okay. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Manikganj, a very beautiful district of Bangladesh.
How old are you?
I'm only 35.
Do you work, study?
Actually, I'm a full-time student, sir.
What do you study?
I study English, sir.
Where do you study?
I study at Kids English class, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Take care, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye.